Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Doris. I'm here to show you about my stock account and today's market update. And today let's talk about the recent performance on my stocks. So as of Apple, it closed down 1.06% in the past day. SQQQ closed up, SPY closed down slightly. United Natural Gas closed at 1.53%. Today's portfolio is dragged up by United Natural Gas performance, and it has made a total gain of 1.47% today. And then let's take a look at the market. Today, Dow Jones closed up 0.12%, Nasdaq closed down 0.12%, and S&P 500 closed up 0.11%. Today, the market generally fluctuated minimally, and the investors continue to focus about the rate cut expectations. As of the industries today, the consumer electronics closed down 1.05%, leading with a loss. Today is the second to the last trading day of the first quarter of 2024, and let's take a look at a recap of what happened over this past quarter. So, today, all three major indexes gained it's one of the biggest gains in the recent 5 years. In the first quarter, the U.S. GDP growth was revised up to 3.4% in the fourth quarter, indicating a solid economic growth. The focus shifted to Friday's PCE inflation data. On Friday, which is tomorrow, the U.S. stock market will be closed for Good Friday, though Thursday is the last trading day of this week. And for March and this first quarter. In the first quarter, S&P closed up 1.16% higher, its best first quarter gain since 2019. Dow Jones closed up 5.6%, one of its strongest first quarters since 2021. The Nasdaq rose 9.11% in the first quarter. In March, S&P 500 was up 3.1%, Nasdaq was up 1.79%, and Dow was up 2.08%. Nvidia became the market leader in U.S. stocks, rising this quarter and this month. The AI boom that drove Nvidia's stock higher still showed no signs of slowing, setting the stock up 82.5% in the first quarter and 14.2% in March alone. Since the beginning of 2022, major U.S. indexes have been hitting record highs. On Thursday, both the Dow and S&P 500 hit a new all-time closing highs. Although experts have said that the stocks are at overvalued positions right now, investors are still keeping an optimistic standpoint for the future of the U.S. stock market, as long as the economic indexes keep up with the future of the investors' expectations. On Thursday, two major government measures of economic activity grew strong at the end of last year, suggesting that the economy is still expanding at a steady pace. The U.S. economy grew at an annualized rate of 3.4% between October and December, up from previous expectations of 3.2%. The Commerce Department said on Thursday the revised gross domestic product data shows that the U.S. economy slowed in the fourth quarter, compared with the high 4.9% growth in July to September quarter. Still, the 3.4% gain is a solid performance, driven by rising interest rates, driven by growing consumer spending, exports, and business investment in the construction and software. It was also the sixth straight quarter that the U.S. economy has risen by more than 2%. For the whole 2023, the U.S. economy grew by 2.5%, up from 1.9% in 2022. According to the forecast model released by Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, the U.S. economy will grow at a slower 2.1% in the current January to March quarter, but it's decent. The resilience of the U.S. economy has repeatedly shattered expectations as the rising borrowing rates is designed to fight inflation that will lead to a wave of layoffs and possibly even a recession. Starting March 2022, the Fed has raised its benchmark interest rate 11 times to its highest level in 23 years, significantly boosting borrowing costs for businesses and households. This is all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next episode.